This is not the unboxing of any smart TV. Instead, this is the unboxing of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and this is the Reserve Edition package. Just look at this. I'm super excited. For the first time, I'm seeing such a big box for a phone unboxing. Let's get started. So here we are getting a lot of plastic wrappers over here. So whoa, guys. Okay, let me pick it up. Oh man, this is a massive box. You can see. Just look at this. Woo! So we are getting a seal type of seal over here. So we are gonna lift this up, and this, you can see, I'm just gonna take a look. Whoa. First thing we are gonna get is a Xiaomi case. So this is the case, which is 67mm filter adapter. Another package, let's see. This is written as 67mm lens over here, and a cleaning cloth over here. Shows the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So two seals over here, and yeah, it's done. So wow, it's written as Xiaomi, and first of all we are getting a box over here. Let's see what are we getting over here. So obviously a SIM ejector tool over here, and then a Xiaomi 14 Ultra quick start guide, and then a case, which is just of a decent quality. I prefer the second case, which comes in the Reserve Edition box itself, which is a limited edition one. I just love that. And the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and can you guess the color? Before that, let me show you the 120 watt adapter. You can see, and the data cables, USB type A to type C data cables also. So the color is, yes, the white color Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So let me peel off. Ooh, and wow, this is a Xiaomi 14 Ultra in the white color. You can see the sides, the top, the left's completely clean, and the bottom, and so you can see. So first of all, let us start off from a video playback comparison. Before that, I would like to show you the display advanced modes. If you just go to the AI image engine, you have a lot of features, starting off super resolution. That means enhance the resolution of videos that's available. Then AI image enhancement, that means if it identify the common images like plants, animals, it will automatically optimize it with the help of AI and enhancing the images. Then AI HDR enhancement, that means if it's an HDR video, then it would enhance the dark areas to be a bit more brighter. And then we have MEMs, that means motion estimation, motion compensation. With the help of AI, it adds some extra frames to the video, make a bit more smoother. So these things are available. And then the display resolution by default to Full HD plus, and you can switch to WQHD plus. I have done a detailed tip structure and features and setting working video. I will leave the link in the description. And you can have the refresh rate options. And then one more thing is the color scheme. By default, it would be on original color pro. That means it gives a sort of natural along with a bit vibrant. But if you need the maximum saturated colors, then you need to switch to saturated. And now we are gonna play a video. And if you compare it right against the Vivo X100 Pro, here it's the screen resolution, and we are getting this mode 2800 into 1260 is the maximum. So this is definitely higher. And apart from that, if you look at the screen colors, you just tap over here, you can set by default it's standard, but the bright gives the maximum color. I'm going to turn on the visual enhancement on the X100 Pro. Along with that, you can see the brightness is at maximum on both of them, and I have turning on the sunlight mode on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And now we are going to compare the videos, which is the Vivo X100 Pro and which is a Xiaomi 14 Ultra. You can see both of them, and both of them seems really sharp and vibrant, and I could not felt much difference. And in I think the brightness is for this guy if you compare a bit, and on the bottom is the X100 Pro. Which is a Xiaomi 14 Ultra and which is the Vivo X100 Pro. You can see both are really stunning and sharp, and at a glance you could not tell any difference between both. But if you observe really close, you can see a minor differences. If you look at the saturation, actually the saturation levels of this guy, that's the Vivo X100 Pro, is a bit higher than the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And you can see in this area also the Vivo X100 Pro takes a bit late, and you can see the saturation. You can see there's extreme level of saturation on the X100 Pro versus it feels like not that saturated if you compare with the X100 Pro. And you can see the sky tones also is a bit sharp on the X100 Pro, but actually if you ask about the naturality, I would prefer the 14 Ultra over there. And apart from that, this scenario both feels almost same or a minor edge for the X100 Pro. That's it. And wow, I think the Vivo X100 Pro at the bottom takes a lead. Now let's quickly check the speakers. So starting off from the Vivo X100 Pro. Okay. Okay, I'm not that impressed. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Whoa! Wow! Man, this is too good. I will just show you an example once again. X100 Pro. That's it. Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Whoa! So that's a clear win for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. We'll check the camera UI. So starting off, we are getting a lot of modes. Pro mode with a lot of stunning presets, and we have movie mode, which we can adjust the regular wide as well as some aperture levels. And then we have the video mode, and maximum we can record 8K at 30 fps. And if you turn on the stabilization, you can see turn on the stabilization, it would be switched to 180p at 30 fps. The front camera even can record 4K at 30 fps, and the video can be also done in the master cinema on at 180p at 30. And then we have a lot of photo modes, and over here you can see beautify filters, and from 0.5x all the way up to 120x it can record, and portrait mode with 423mm, 35mm, 50mm, and 75mm. So a lot of modes for the convenience. And then we have the documents mode, and in more we have the night mode, 15mm mode, panoramic, glow, short film mode, slow motion, time lapse, a watermark, long exposure, super moon, fan shot, and the director's mode, which you can see standard telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide angle, and even you can adjust. That means the pro video mode, which shows also histogram and also, and even a log mode also. So a lot of stunning options over there. And now we are going to check the fingerprint scanner as well as face recognition. So you can see the face fingerprint scanner. You can see rapid fast. So I'm going to tap, just a tap. That's it. Here you can see. Now it's time for the face instructions. You can see in 3, 2, and go. Done. Once again 3, 2, and go. And once again 3, 2, and go. Oops, it's rapid fast on the Xiaomi Ultra. How about the initial impression of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Actually, it is really good. But the thing which concerns me is obviously the temperature. Actually, the side frame is now a bit warm, and as well as the back panel is also a bit warm. And if I just use the camera for approximately 50 minutes, it gets really warm on the back panel. So it concerns me a bit. The same thing happens with the Xiaomi 14 also. Actually that gets extremely warm, and the CPU throttling was doing really high on the Xiaomi 14. I think it won't be happen to this guy, but anyways, we need do a detailed comparison and review for this phone to give the final verdict. Anyways, that's it regarding the first impression and the quick unboxing of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So guys, that's it today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.